Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple account balance to wallet. Now on your iPhone, if you have an account balance say from a gift card that somebody gave to you, you can always apply that Apple gift card balance to your wallet. So just to do that, let's hop into settings and we'll scroll down until we get to wallet and Apple Pay here. On here we will tap on add card, and as you can see, add Apple account as the second option. I'll tap on that, and then it says Apple account, use your account balance to purchase products, apps, games, music and more. So hit continue here and it will pull up your Apple account. Here you can see I don't have any balance, I have a balance of 0, but all I have to do is hit next at the top right. If you did have a balance 10, 100, however much you have on there, it will add it to your wallet just by going through these steps. You can see it's been added to my wallet. Now I have my Apple account balance here in addition to my credit card. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.